Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uya trend utirelo after yesterday's episode labonakale khona breaking down crying for Klubedwa Mpumelelo in their relationship. So ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi uyagowisha she's going through a lot, and if she's going through a lot emjolweni wesithembu kuyoba njani emshadweni. Wavele wanqwala ingembede emehlweni wakhala, and everyone was just speaking about that ukuthi ziyakhala ke manje. So people were saying ukuthi uzenzile nje akakhalelwa. Some were even saying ukuthi remember what you were saying when about uVuyokazi ngalesikhathi uVuyokazi ahlukubedwa ngompumelelo, when you were rejoicing girl, when you were happy girl, when you were saying ukuthi akatithandze and that she must move on and must stop fighting for a man, when you are the one who were busy saying ukuthi why ungamshiyi because wena bofuna kusala wedwana. You didn't know ukuthi ekusaleni kwakho uyi-one batofika labanye bakutreat the same way you were treating uVuyokazi. So people are saying ukuthi girl, wena ushaya induda yakho nje thina sikuveli ngisho ungakhala uthini, but yes there are those people Nkosi yami labanenhlitiyo letinhle who were saying ukuthi umpumelelo mara angeke alibone lizulu ngendlela treater abantwana abebantu angakhona, but some were saying ukuthi cha utirelo nje uyaphapha, utirelo uthafika ngisho kule relationship wadenda ngazuthi yena ungqono akunaVuyokazi. Wangacabanga ukuthi lento le yento akuVuyokazi naye ngalelinye ilanga itomehlekalela. So yena beqonga ukuthi kuphuma kwaVuyokazi empilweni ya Mpumelelo kuyobe kusho ukuthi yena uphila kamnanzi, uphumule Vuyokazi and uphila kamnanzi no unemabhizinisi akhe ubethe ekhinyalo kwenda mtemba wakhe, like she's just living life man, like she's just living impilo. And people are saying ukuthi sometimes the girl who won, it's not the girl who got the guy, but it's the girl who left. I hope they understand that, guys. Moving right along, see angena a story ni sa Musamsele. Musamsele who posted this picture. So Mhlopekazi mntwana Mpumelelo, firstborn Mpumelelo, was turning 5 years, and upostile ke umkhulu phela posta leya picture lapha ku Instagram story with a very sweet caption. But people said ukuthi hayibo hemusa bekungeke usathatha mhlambe ipicture la kunamhluphekazi khona, did you really have to take a picture la kunaVuyokazi khona vele, because sibonile upost ingcumbi ma-picture but wena uvela decide ukuthi hayi ngcono uthathe lela iveta khona uVuyokazi. Why ungathatha ngepicture la kunamhluphekazi or lo mntwana lomncane khona laba boyithu khona? Why when you choose le picture la kubonakala khona naVuyokazi abambe bantu abakhe? So people felt ukuthi loba bengazuthi uyaphuma ngalesinye isikhathi elayinini. Imagine nje so ungiterelo ukuthi kufuna ufile kanjani uma sekafakele picture leli fana naleso. People just said ukuthi cha loba belona ngazuthi akathatha nyani kahle la ngqondweni, ngazuthi kufuneka athole ngisho ne-manager leto manager ama-social media platforms akhe, because cha uyaphuma elayinini. Ufake i-caption wabhala ukuthi my grandmother Gokflo and my mother Joyce are rejoicing in heaven for Mhlopekazi and Zulu yemfihlakalo. Ne umthanza shemo Flo yat like umthanza uFlo Musamsele umthanza kabi kabo Flo. So people were dragging him ukuthi why athatha picture la kunatirelo khona kuna Vuyokazi khona, wayengazange athatha picture la bonakala khona namhluphekazi kuphela. So some even said ukuthi hey ngendlela uMusamsele kamthanza ngakhona awuVuyokazi nje ngabe ukuthi bengasi i-girlfriend yomntwana akhe ngabatibambela yena, because hey uyamthanza and wazama so hard for Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi ukuthi relationship yabo is-7, but unfortunately things didn't work out. So people are saying ukuthi nje if Vuyokazi bekangana abantwana or bekangasi-girlfriend, ex-girlfriend rather yakhe Mpumelelo cha ubabelo bekatotithathela, because uyatifela angaVuyokazi asiyakwati nje lokho. utirelo nje akabambi indlela uMusa Msweli kamthanza ngakhona uVuyokazi, but nje ngiko ukuthi things didn't work out between them. Bekumele ukuthi phela accept, but people felt ukuthi qha uphumile elayinini ngokuthi apost ipicture yaVuyokazi labonakala khona nebantu bakhe. Bekumele ngabe uthethe ipicture la kunamhlopekazi kuphela, but ukuthi uMusa Msweli doesn't read comments. Probably like he won't even see ukuthi bantu bathini. Musa Msweli guys uyapost atihambele. Itolo ngibone video ya this other guy who said ukuthi if people are bored abaye ku page la Musa Msweli kule Instagram boyofike nje batihlekele, because indlela tipostako uyabona shem ukuthi hayi yena sowukhulile, usibona nje ngamapost lawo postako ukuthi hayi malanga sahambile impimo. And uyayithanda Instagram Musa Msweli, ayikho social media la ithanda ko Musa njenge-Instagram. Guys, Musa Msweli uyatifela nge-Instagram. Akuvami ukuthi kushone ilanga ka-post or 2 days. Akuvami, i-2 days vele nje akapheli angapost, uposta almost every day lapha ku-Instagram, and people feel ukuthi indaba iposta kulapha niqha alithatha nyani kahle ngalesi sikhathi. Ngazi ukuthi angathola hlampe a-manager, leto managela i-account yakhe ye-Instagram or onke ama-social media platforms akhe, because ngalesi sikhathi uposta tinto leti off, and as a public figure akumele aposta tinto litifana naleti. Moving right along, singena esitorini sakhe uMangwabe, mfowethu waMusa Msweli ku-West 4. uMangwabe guys owende i-makeover and she's beautiful, she's pretty, oh my god, she's gorgeous, munhle ngendlela lesimanga. So uMangwabe guys sekuzibukane gold tooth uyikhiphile oyi-gold njengoba sibona smile umem akasasmayilile emayini, seyiphumile gold and kudzala nayo i-gold tooth. Ngicabanga qala kumbona lapha kuthanda uNesithembu avele anayo, bekavela anayo, but no, udecide ukuthi you know what, ngiyasusa nje mina lento lena, angisafuni nje mina kuhlekela emayini off. Wayikhipha washaya one-makeup, and people are saying ukuthi girl ubabi uli-2000. So people are just talking about i-makeover yakhe, saying ukuthi she's so pretty, like she's gorgeous. Some are even saying ukuthi uthando Nesithembu bengamendeli justice, bengamendeli justice lo says, because she's beautiful, munhle ngendlela lesimanga, simbonini sekathi qa ku-makeup. So people are just saying ukuthi girl omuhle, and nokhipha i-gold tooth went decision le right kabi futhi nje ungasabuki nasemuva, ungasabuyeli emva, because ave ubabani avubabani ubuso bakho itiye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.